A simple question for you. Do you want to make money on ClickBank for a lifetime and for free? If your answer is yes, then this tutorial is for you. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this exciting video, how to make money on ClickBank for a lifetime, and it's an evergreen method that I personally use for making my ClickBank commission, and I will show you a step by step everything what I do to promote ClickBank products for free. I am Rajubhadro, affiliate marketer of ClickBank, JVJu, and many other high-ticket programs, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing, and I am working here for last 8 years. So guys, be ready to see how to make money on ClickBank for a lifetime. It's the best free ClickBank method, I assure you. So guys, if you want to make serious ClickBank money, then don't miss any part of this video. I am exciting to show all of the methods that I personally use to promote my ClickBank products and make ClickBank commission. So guys, be ready and check into my computer. But first thing is fast. If you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro. You see here, it's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing. So if you are interested to make money online and if you want to make money for a lifetime, then this YouTube channel is helpful for you. You see here, I am uploading videos in the daily basis. You see here, and I tried my best to cover ClickBank method, JVJu method, Warrior Plus method, Amazon method, free traffic, high ticket program, CPA method, everything. So if you are interested to make money online for a lifetime, if you want to make big money, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and punch the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my exciting videos and all the new info inside my YouTube channel. And you see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month like me, then check my number on recommendation here. You see here, or check my video description. So guys, let's check this method, how to make money on ClickBank for a lifetime. But at first I want to say, if you want to get overnight success, if you want to get instant result, then this method doesn't work for you, because I will show you the evergreen traffic method that will help you to get traffic for a lifetime, and you can make money for a lifetime. If you don't have ClickBank account, it doesn't matter, you can choose another marketplace like DGS Store, JVJu, Warrior Plus. But if you have ClickBank account, then it's fine. Now I will show you everything in just 3 steps. You see here, at first you have to create an ClickBank account. Okay, fine, I will show you how to create an ClickBank account. Then choose 3 or 4 products to promote. It's an interesting and amazing thing in this method. Most of the tutorial you see here, promote on product, choose the best product, but you can choose best 3 or 4 products. Okay, and generate free traffic for a lifetime. And for this reason, you have to grow your traffic day by day. If you want to make free traffic, then you have to grow your traffic day by day. But if you want to run paid ads in Facebook ad, Instagram ad, Google ad, YouTube ad, then it doesn't matter, you can get instant traffic by costing money. But when you want to get free traffic, then you have to grow your traffic day by day. Okay, now see the best part of this method, why you should apply this method, why this method works, and why I am personally use this method to make ClickBank commission. You see here, you can make 100 per day minimum. Okay, but at the first stage when you start this method, you can do it, but day by day gradually you can make this money. Okay, then it's 100% free traffic. You don't need a single dollar to generate traffic. Okay, and you don't need to make videos in front of camera. Then you don't need to run paid ads. No Facebook ad, no Google ad, no YouTube ad, no Instagram ad, no paid ads, and no high working skill needed. If you are a newbie, you can think, I am newbie, can I apply this method? Okay, I will show you how can you start. And it's 100% workable, and it's 0% scam, and you don't need to buy any software, and you don't need to use any software to apply this method. And because if you want to generate evergreen traffic, then no software doesn't work. So you don't need to buy any software, use any software. So guys, let's start. But if you first inside my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I assure you, you never be disappointed, you never be frustrated to subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to punch the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my exciting videos and all the new info inside my YouTube channel. So guys, I am ready. Let's check. Step number on, create an account on ClickBank. If you already have ClickBank account, then it's fine. And if you don't have ClickBank account, then let's check it. But if you can't able to create ClickBank account, then you can choose DGS Store, you can choose Warrior Plus, you can choose JBJU, or you can choose any of the high ticket program for applying this method, applying this traffic statistics. Okay, now go this ClickBank, the giant of digital marketing marketplace, and you see here this sign up. Simply click this sign up, and it's 100% free to join. You see here is your country name. Choose your country name, then choose your first name, then select your last name, then put your phone number, use your best email, use the best password, and follow all the instruction here. Then click this I have read and agree the term and conditions, then join ClickBank. You need 2 or 3 days to get approval to get all the access of this giant ClickBank. Again, I remind it, if you don't have ClickBank account and if you unable to create ClickBank account, then you can choose DGS Store, JBJU, Warrior Plus, or you can promote any of the high ticket program. Okay, now step number 1, you have to create an ClickBank account. It's complete. Now step number 2, choose 3 or 4 products to promote. I will share you why you need 3 or 4 products, because I personally promote 3 or 4 products at a time, and I recommend you to promote 3 or 4 products. Just exactly what I do, apply this method. Okay, now visit the marketplace. You can search your targeted product. Okay, fine. Or you can search here e-business and e-marketing. You see here, you see all the e-business and e-marketing products like affiliate marketing, make money online, make money, various methods, home job. Okay, you can select all, you can get all the products here. Now how can you choose the best product? In the case of ClickBank products, you can select those products whose gravity is high. You see here, this product's gravity 185, here is 220 on, here is here is no gravity, here is 112, here is 288, here is no gravity, here is 40. So gravity means how much affiliate sell this product, how much affiliate promote this product and sell this product. The sell affiliate, the selling affiliate of this product, here is the gravity score. That means this product is workable for promoting. Okay, now you can choose the best 3 or 4 products and collect the affiliate link. You see here, you see this promote and click this simply promote. And if you want to track any your affiliate link, then you can select here, you can put here, and then generate hook links. That the way to generate hook link, and choose 3 and 4 products, then copy this link and select your copy your affiliate URL and text note it in the text pad for using this affiliate URL. Okay, now you see here all the products and you can choose the best 3 or 4 products. So guys, step number 2 has been completed. You have to choose 3 or 4 best product of ClickBank. Now generate free traffic for a lifetime. Again I said it, if you want to generate free traffic for a lifetime, then don't want to get success in overnight. Okay, you have to grow this traffic day by day gradually. Your workability, your skill doesn't matter, your consistency is the fact in this case of free traffic. So guys, if you fast inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra. If you want to generate lot of free traffic strategies, you can check my free traffic playlist and you can get a lot of videos about free traffic. And if you want to get the top 8 paid or free traffic sources that revealed by Russell Brunson, the number on online entrepreneur, the number on 9-figure earner. Okay, so you can check it into my video description. Now generate free traffic for a lifetime, and this case I recommend you to build a website. Don't be afraid to see the to hurt the name of website. Don't be afraid. I will show you how can you build a website and how can you put content into your website. You see here, it's my website answertoday.com, and it's a make money related helpful content website. It's my blog. I post daily basis inside my blog post, and day by day it's growing and generating traffic and it's make sales. Okay, so build a website, build a make money related helpful content website. You see here, it's my website. If you want to see this my website, you see here is my website Answer Today. Here all the categories of my website post. Here is make money online, affiliate marketing, traffic, ClickBank, passive income, business tips, social media, PayPal money, Amazon, CPA marketing. And you see here all the posts inside my YouTube, inside my website. And you see here some of my posts. How to drive traffic to your website for free. Top 5 ways. Okay. How to start social media marketing as a beginner. Top 3 tips for anyone. Okay, all the helpful content here. How to make money on ClickBank affiliate marketing, make 100 per day. Okay, then how to do affiliate marketing with paid ads, 100 per day. Okay, you see here, what should I do after college, valuable tips for teenagers. Okay, then best affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, make $1,000 per month. Okay, you see here, how to make money online fast from home, best 7 lazy days. Okay, then how to increase your income as a copywriter, best 3 ways. So you have to make this type of website, this type of helping website, and you can grow your website day by day, and if you can grow your website once, then you will generate traffic and traffic. I assure you, not only me, all the big marketers, all the high income person have this type of website, this type of blog. It may be helping blog, it may be weight loss blog, it may be business blog, it may be forex blog, it may be binary blog. Okay, but in the case of, if you want to promote make money related products, then make money related helpful content blog is the best. If you want to promote health product, then health related blog is the best. Okay, now you can say how you use 3 or 4 products link at a time. Okay, see here, it's my one of my website post. Visit my website post. You see here, here is my starting of this post, here is my introduction, then here is my purpose of my blog. Then you can see here, start your dream lifestyle now. Okay, you can put a affiliate link, best products affiliate link, then start this blog. Then way number 1, way number 2, way number 3, way number 4. You see here, continue reading. Start affiliate marketing journey as a beginner and run for a being a 6-figure marketer. Join this the masterclass training right now. Okay, you can put another products affiliate link. If you use 3 or 4 products affiliate link, I don't like this on, but I can like this. So you have 3 or 4 options. Anyone can choose anything. Okay, then you see here, and finally here is my recommendation. My number 1 recommendation is here. You see here, start your hassle-free online business and make big commissions for a lifetime. Take action fast here. Okay, that's it. And the finally I use, do you know traffic is the key to online success? Top 8 traffic secrets here. Get unlimited bad traffic now. All the post you see here, all the post of my website, all the post of my website, all the post of my website, and all I use the same thing. Just you put a helpful content, and you have to be consistent. Your consistency is the key to success. Now you can say, hey bro, hey guy, I am a newbie. Then how can I make this type of helpful content? Okay, I am here to solve this problem. Visit this Quora. At first, you have to find out the what people want to learn. You see, man. That means I want to say you have to find your title, the best title, which title you use to make a post. You have to select it, and for this you can visit Quora. Okay. Then if you want to make money related blog, then search make money online. See these questions. You see here how much question here, how much question here. Now you can say, okay Raju, it's fine, I can do it, I can get the question idea, I can get the title idea. Now how can I write this post? I don't know anything. Okay, fine. Now what's the easiest way to make money online? Copy this question, copy your title, and simply go YouTube and search YouTube. You will get a lot of ideas here. Just simply invest 20 to 30 minutes to watch a video. Okay, just watch 20. You see here, if you want to this 10 legit ways, then just watch this 10 minutes video, then simply write your blog post. But if you want everything ready made, then it's not possible. Then everyone can make money online. Just invest this 10 minutes, get the idea, and write your post. That's simple. And I personally apply this method, but I have enough question idea, I have enough source, but it's for the newbie. But if you are an advanced marketer, if you are an expert marketer, then you can understand it how to continue your task. But if you are a beginner, then you can apply it this the question idea, then get the idea about this your topics, and you can make post. It's simple. I don't see any difficulties, I don't see any hassle in this method, applying this method. Now you can say, I don't know how to buy a website, I don't know how to build a website. Okay, I just show it very simply. But if you want to actually, if you want to make a website, then you will get a lot of videos how to buy domain, how to choose hosting, and how to set everything. But I simply show it. Suppose as a beginner, I recommend you to choose a Namecheap to buy your domain and choosing your hosting. Any of the website, any of the domain name you can choose here. But I recommend you to choose your niche related name. Suppose if you want to make money online, then make money online tips 2021. Okay, if you want to buy this domain, then search here. Shit. I have to verify it. Okay, make money online 2020 on, then search it. Now I want to repeat this method again. At first you have to create your ClickBank account. Okay, then choose 3 and 4 products to promote. Okay, and finally generate traffic for a lifetime, and for this reason you have to build a website and make helpful content regularly. It's the key. And you see here, here is my website post, and you can use this sidebar as another ad banner. You can get a lot of product here, and I also choose around 3 4 5 products here. So if you have a lot of opportunity, if you can grow your website gradually, but don't want to get it instant result. And shit, the popular make money quick tips 2020. So guys, what I said here, you can add your banner as your wish. Here is no limitation, no restriction. So you can use here. So guys, by this here you can search. Oh, okay, it's loading, and you can choose your domain name. It's you see here, it's the .com domain, it's the .money domain, .tips domain. You can see here, and after choosing your domain, just add cart. Okay, you see here, here is the view cart, and when you buy your domain, obviously you have to choose this SSL certificate, this positive SSL certificate. It's the security of your website. Then choose this on, and it's for 1 year. Then you just need $12.94 to buy a domain, and you have to choose your hosting after buying your domain. And if you don't know, if you can say, hey Raju, I don't know anything, then how can I do it inside this namespace? Then go this busy support here and choose the live chat. You see here the live chat, and just buy your domain and hosting and live chat here. He will assist you to everything to complete your website A to Z. You don't need to do anything. So guys, that's it. So if you can follow all those 3 steps, then I assure you, you can generate 100 or more per day ClickBank commission for a lifetime, and day by day you can grow your earnings. I assure you, I promise you, I guarantee you. So guys, if this video help you, then like this video. If you have any question about this video, then comment in the comment section. I am always here to reply your questions, and don't forget to share this video with other people to your friends. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and punch the notification bell to get new videos inside my YouTube channel, new updates inside my YouTube channel. And you see here, it's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing, and a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. And I try my best to upload videos on the daily basis, on the weekly basis, and a lot of helpful content for making big money online. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 or more per month, then check my number on recommendation here or check my video description. So guys, that's it. Simply follow these 3 steps and generate free traffic and make ClickBank commission for a lifetime. So guys, that's it. See you soon. God bless you. Bye.